Alright, well, I decided to make a trip down to Table Rock this evening. I worked this morning and I thought, well, try to get a few hours in before dark. Maybe I'll get something caught. I'm trying to get killed here. Okay, still alive. But it's hot as heck outside, probably. The truck says 88. It's most definitely 90 for sure. Humid, nasty. Absolutely cannot stand fishing in the heat. So I'm going to try to make the first night trip of the year tonight. If I get a few bites and think that it's worth sticking it out this evening, I'm going to go ahead and give that a try. Try the old black spinnerbait and a jig and all that. Probably not going to be able to get any footage past dusk, which is going to kind of suck. I actually am trying to come up with a rig for the front of the boat to where I can like step on a button or something and have some lights come on the deck at least after I set the hook, and can fight the fish and get the fish in and show the fish to the camera and all that stuff. But it's just a work in progress. Gonna have to figure something out for it, because by the time, this is right now late July or late June, by the time I get to late June, I'm pretty much, I mean, traditionally for me, I do not fish during the day. In the summertime, it's not my thing. I'm totally disinterested. So I usually only go at night. Well, now that I'm doing this filming thing, I'm having a heck of a hard time coming up with an idea of how to fish at night and be able to capture it on film. Just forcing my hand into having to melt with everybody else and get beat to death by all the wakeboarding boats and everybody else out there, you know, enjoying their weekend, but trying to kill me the entire time. So usually I only fish at night, but I'm going to try to start getting out a little bit earlier and at least get, 3 or 4 hours before dark. So we'll see what happens. Gonna give it a whirl. It's a solo trip. Couldn't get anybody to be able to go tonight, so I'm just see what happens. But follow along, and hopefully I can put something in the boat before dark. I have no idea. I'm terrible this time of year. Once it gets hot, it's like, I don't know, it's psychological. I know I can mess around and figure out how to catch some fish, but I just almost don't even want to. So we'll see what happens. But anyways, follow along, and hopefully I can find something for you guys to be able to watch. Wish I could just get one bite, just get some sort of a clue. Almost can't wait for nighttime to come and just put 4 rods on the deck. That's the 4 rods. 1 worm, 1 jig, 1 chatterbait, 1 spinnerbait. And that's what you got. I don't know how I ended up with that. Maybe I was going to do 2 rods today. Yeah, right. I want to catch one on that popper, man. It's so much fun. A little bit of topwater stuff going on tonight, too. Greg, sit down. Get rid of these sunglasses. Shouldn't be needing them anymore. Got a full moon tonight. I think it's June 21st. Full moon. And a couple of years ago, we really got into them. A friend of mine from work at Stockton just kind of always stayed with me. I'm hoping tonight I could catch a few. Of course, no one will ever see it. No one will ever see this video. I'm just talking to myself. It's just weird. I'm not even getting hit by a green sunfish or anything. I mean, just like nothing. I haven't had a bite. Nothing. Just completely dead. I'm just really hoping maybe they just, you know, they had a heavy feed last night or something, then kicked on a couple times today, and after dark, well, that's wonderful. After dark, they just kind of turn on. Sometimes, when I have a tough evening bite, sometimes I've had really good night bites, but not every time. Sometimes it's just tough for whatever reason. I have no clue. These are good areas for, you know, getting some friggin' bites. I just stopped in the boat on a whim. There it is. All right. Dump the jig. All right. Can't see nothing. Yeah. If that's any better. Yeah. I'm thinking something like that. Yeah. All right. Nice Kentucky. Fat Kentucky.
Alright guys, so that is a wrap on that one. A little bit shorter one this time around, as you may have noticed. This video was for us to kind of hit a baseline on what filming at night would be like. We like to go night fishing quite a bit. We actually think that's about the only one we've, or well, he's gone on this year. I haven't gone yet, so I don't really know how many more there will be anyways. Regardless, for in the future, whenever we go again, this one was more so just to kind of give us a baseline on what we're dealing with here. So luckily Ross was able to get a couple fish in the boat as well. So one on a black and blue jig, one on a black and blue spinnerbait. So it worked out, was able to actually see what it's like and kind of how to light them up. So anyway, sorry the footage isn't that great. Just want to let you guys know what was going on here, give you a little rundown there. So again, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, go back and check some of our other videos as well. Check those out, but subscribe to the channel. That really helps us out. Go to motionfishing.com, use the promo code KH15 for 15% off every order. That is a great way of helping out Kelby. Hopefully we get him back soon. But in the meantime, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye. Love you. See you in the next one.